Hello everybody. Today my topic is co-crystal and co-crystal of metal complexes. Now before understanding co-crystal, we have to know that what is inclusion compound. Inclusion compound are those in which a molecule that is host is the container of another compound that is guest, and the nature of interaction between the host and guest molecule are weak interactions. Now, what is co-crystal? Co-crystal is a crystalline structure made up of two or more components in a definite stoichiometric ratio, where each of the component is defined as either an atom or ion or molecule, and the stability of co-crystal is due to weak interactions. Now, these are two examples of co-crystal. The first one is a 1 is to 2 co-crystal of pyrazine and N-alkyl carboxylic acid, and the second one is a 1 is to 1 co-crystal of tryptamine and 4-chlorobenzoic acid. The co-crystal that are reported are dominated by organic systems, the majority of which is acid-base compound. Again, the design of components as well as the region of co-crystallization in organic co-crystal can be well explored in terms of non-covalent interactions like strong and weak hydrogen bonding interactions, pi-pi stacking interactions, CH-pi interactions, etc. However, co-crystal containing only the metal atom are very rare. However, the reason of co-crystallization is difficult to understand in this case. Therefore, the design of co-crystal of metal complexes is a challenging task. Now, I will show how inclusion compound can form. This is a double compartmental ship-based ligand containing two different types of compartment. One is N2O2 compartment and another is O4 compartment. The reaction of this double compartmental ligand derived from 3-ethoxy salicylaldehyde diamine with copper and nickel acetate salt produce a mononuclear inclusion compound in which copper or nickel ion occupies the N2O2 cavity and a water molecule is encapsulated in the O4 cavity by forming bifurcated hydrogen bonds with 4 oxygen atoms of O4 cavity. Here, the ligand acts as the host for the water molecule. When several second metal ions from different parts of the periodic table are treated with the mononuclear copper or nickel compounds, the metal ion substitute the water molecules and occupies O4 cavity, and most of the cases co-crystallization occurs. Next, I will show how co-crystallization takes place. It is found that if the second metal ion is copper 2 plus, cobalt 2 plus, iron 2 plus, manganese 2 plus or magnesium 2 plus, then three water molecules are coordinated to the second metal ion and two trans water molecules are encapsulated in the O4 cavity of two mononuclear units by forming bifurcated hydrogen bonds and form co-crystal. Here, one dinuclear unit is self-assembled with two mononuclear units. So, this is a 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 co-crystal of one dinuclear and two mononuclear units. If the second metal ion is lithium plus, sodium plus, zinc 2 plus or cadmium 2 plus, then two water molecules are coordinated to the second metal ion and it also form same type of co-crystal. But if the second metal ion is Ag plus or calcium 2 plus, then only one water molecule is coordinated to the second metal ion and it forms 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 crystal of one dinuclear and one mononuclear unit. So this is how co-crystal can form. Now these are some examples of co-crystal containing metal complexes. Thank you for your kind attention.